This video will review the course inventory management system in CourseLeaf. This system is also referred to as KIM. This video will explain and demonstrate how to use certain search features, propose a new course, and edit existing courses. Log in to CourseLeaf. Select Go to New Dashboard. Select Courses at the top of the page. Use the search bar at the top of the page to search for any course. This search bar will show you any course created at Ithaca College. This also includes courses that have been deleted. Search by typing in the course subject code and the course number. If you aren't sure about the course number, use a % sign as a wildcard. Using a percentage sign will show all courses that could possibly fit your search criteria. To the right of the search bar, there are archive and history options. To view all the courses in a particular subject code that have been deleted, type in the subject code with the % sign, then check off the archive box. The courses that have been deleted within the subject code will appear. Selecting the history box will display all the different versions of each course. It will also display the date of each revision. The next KIM video goes into further details of the features and will explain a more efficient way to view a course's history. The Quick Search drop-down menu allows you to filter through classes by predetermined categories. These categories are edited, added, inactive, and experimental. To start a new course proposal, click Propose New Course at the top right of the page. A new window will open. Complete all of the red boxes. Scrolling down a bit, you will see a syllabus section. You have the option of either filling in the boxes or uploading an attachment. If you want to come back to your proposal later, you can scroll all the way down and click Save Changes. Once you are ready to submit your proposal for consideration, select Start Workflow at the bottom of the page. Next, we will review how to edit a course that already exists in the inventory. Search for the course you want to edit using the search bar. Once you find the course, click on it. This will open up the course's information. To edit the course, select Edit Course located just below the search results field and to the right. A new window will open. This window is the editable version of the course. It will display the last set of approved revisions. The required areas will already be completed. This is not an error. The course has already been created and you're proposing a revision. Follow along as I edit this course as an example. First, select a review process. There are 5 options: standard course revision, expedited course revision, administrative change only, ICC designation only, or attribute request only. Depending on the review process, the form will expand or retract. Standard course revision is used when you are making significant changes to a course. This could be in the title, course description, prereqs, credits, and other things. Any substantive change should be marked as a standard course revision. Expedited course revision is used when there are minimal changes to the course. Some examples include small title or course description changes. Administrative change only should be used for minuscule changes. This could be a typo or frequency change. Attribute request only should be used when you're only looking to add or remove an attribute to a course. ICC designation change is used only when adding or removing an ICC designation from a course's attribute list. I know the changes I'm going to do are significant. I'll select standard course revision. Next, I'm going to edit the contact and the effective term. I edit the course title and description and add a prerequisite. Next is the rationale box. No matter what review process I select, I'm going to need to edit this field. I do this by deleting the previous information and fully explaining my reasoning for changing the course. To add a cross-listing, I would click on Add, then select the subject. Then input the course number. The course number must be the same as the course number for the primary course. Lastly, I want to add a mutual exclusion. Click on the green button to the right of Mutually Exclusive Courses. A small window will appear. Search for the course by selecting the school and the subject code. Click on the course added as a mutual exclusion. Then I would click on Add Selection. Alternatively, input the course subject code and number into the box that says Quick Add and click Add Course. When finished adding mutual exclusions, select Close. Hover over the question marks to learn more about the field. It is important to note that all previous versions of the proposal have been saved and are accessible using the History search option. Use the Additional Information block to leave any other comments about the proposal. Once you're ready to submit the proposal, select Start Workflow. Otherwise, select Save Changes. If you have any questions about creating a new course or editing an existing course in CourseLeaf's Course Inventory Management System, please contact the Office of the Registrar at registrar@ithaca.edu or 607-274-3127. Also, check out our other CourseLeaf tutorial videos.